Un carguero ingeniano acaba de estrellarse y se avistaron estas extrañas criaturas a bordo. Les mantendremos informados.
It's very bad. There's been a breach in security, and the Velociraptor is on the loose. The ranger on duty...
Warning. Warning. An unidentified number of velociraptors have been located in the south lowlands of Sector 29D. All of Sector 29 is advised to take shelter in a secure location immediately. If you find yourself outside in Sector 29D, contact the Casualty Department immediately on Channel 2. Velociraptors contain the following attributes: a flattened snout, large sickle claw, yellow-green eyes, and orange coloring similar to a tiger. These predators are 6 feet tall and have been tracked to go nearly 40 miles per hour. If you see a velociraptor, avoid eye contact and slowly move away to a secure area. If you come in contact with a velociraptor, there is nothing you can do. Engine security will be dispatched to the given sector in the following minutes with heavy firepower capabilities. If you find yourself in the given sector, remain clear of all engine security forces, as you could be caught in the crossfire.
I'm here in my shed. It's in Costa Rica, so I just gotta work a little. I'm doing stuff I need to work. Please. Guys, I'm just here to work. I'm one of the workers for my shed. I can't afford another room, so I just cleared out my spider webs. hate spiders. I'm thirsty. What's that? Whoa! Whoa! Get back! It's a thing from the news. Please, get back!
Fresh baked bread, piled with extra lean, juicy ham. Oven roasted turkey breast, topped with the classic taste of...
Pardon me, would you have any Grey Poupon? But of course.
Introducing Subway's new Turkey and Ham Dijon. Turkey, ham, and the great taste of Grey Poupon mustard, now for a limited time on your choice of rolls. At Subway, the place where fresh is the taste.
Un adolescente fue asesinado recientemente por estas criaturas que identificamos como dinosaurios. La criatura instintiva que desapareció hace millones de años. Que Dios te cuide.